Hi students, in previous video I was already discussed how to convert the decimals into a rational numbers. That is lengthy process. This is shortcut method. How to find the decimals into a rational numbers in shortcut method. This is used to in competitive exams only. Okay, not academic year. This method is used to in competitive exams like Maths Olympiad and SACSI, Maths B, like that. Okay. So, how to find the convert the decimals into rational numbers by using shortcut method. Okay. I am already take 5 examples. This is decimals, non-terminating decimals, non-terminating recurring decimals. Okay. Take first one. 15.732 bar. Okay. So, first of all, you have to write total number. Remove point, decimal point and bar. First of all, you have to write total number 15,732 minus. Then you have to write before numbers of recurring part. Before numbers 157. Okay. By what is the periodicity here? 2. Periodicity of this decimal is 2. That's why how to write 2 nines. If periodicity is 1, how to write 1 9. Okay. 3, have to write 3 nines. Okay. Next 2 nines. Next you have to write how many digits. First of all, find how many digits between decimal point and recurring part. How many decimals are there? 1 decimal point. So have to write 1 0. In case 2 decimals have to find decimal point and recurring part, then have to write 2 zeros. Okay. So first of all, 15,732 minus 157. Subtract these two. 15,732 minus 157. Here 12 minus 7 is 5. Here also 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Here 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. 15. So 15,575 by 990. This is the rational number. How to cancel these two? 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, again 5 1s are 5, 2 is remainder, 25, 5 5s are 25. Okay. Next 5 1s are 5, remainder is 4, 49, 5 9s are 45, 45 4 8, 5 8s are 40. That is 3,115 by 198. This is a rational number. Okay. So 15.732 bar is converted into a rational number, that is 3,115 by 198. Okay. Next I am going to second one. 1.24 bar only. Okay. First of all, you have to write total number 124 minus, then you have to write before decimal part, recurring part, that is 12 by, what is the periodicity here? 1. So you have to write 1 9 only. Next you have to find how many digits are there in decimal point, between decimal point and recurring part. 1 decimal is there. 1 decimal point. So that is how to write 1 0. Okay. So 124 minus 12. 124 minus 12. How much? 112 by 90. Okay. Cancel this. 2 by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 45s. That is 56 by 45. This is a rational number. Okay, is it clear? Next, third one, 3.127 bar only. This is non-terminating mixed recurring decimal. Okay, so first of all I have to write total number, remove decimal point and bar, 3127 minus, then you have to write before recurring part, 312 by, what is the periodicity here? 1. So that's why I have to write 19. How many digits are there in between decimal point and recurring part? 2 decimals are there. That's why I have to write 2 zeros. Okay. Next, subtract these two. 3127 minus 312. 7 minus 2 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. Here 11 minus 3 is 8. 2815 by 900. Okay. Then you have to cancel by 5. 5 5s are 25. Remainder is 3. 5 6 are 30. 5 3s are 15. Here 5 1s are 5. 4 is remainder. 8 0. That is 563 by 180. Okay. Easy. Next, sir. Okay, next fourth one, 4.7 bar. Easy this one. How to write first total number, 4747 minus, next write before recurring part, 4 by, here periodicity is 1, so then you have to write 19. Here no decimal places between decimal point and bar, so don't have put the 0. Here 47 minus 4 is 43 by 9, that is okay, 43 by 9. That is the recurring rational form of 4.7 bar is 43 by 9. Okay. Next, fifth one, 0.54 bar. 0.54 bar. How to write total number 054 minus, there is no number before recurring part, 0 by, here periodicity is 2. That's why I have to write 2 nines. Here no decimal between decimal point and a recurring part, so no need to write 0. That is 54 minus 0, 54 by 99. That is okay. Understood? Next time discuss, find the integers between 3 and 4 and find the rational numbers between 3 and 4. Okay. Any integers between 3 and 4? There is no integer between 3 and 4. Why? Because the definition of integers is the combination of positive numbers, negative numbers including 0 are called integers. Integers are denoted by z, therefore z is equal to the set of minus infinite and so on, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, plus infinite. Okay. Here 3 and 4. There is no integer between 3 and 4. Okay. So, no integer. In the same way, find the rational numbers between 3 and 4. How many rational numbers between 3 and 4? Yes, the infinite number of rational numbers between are there in between 3 and 4. Why? Because 3 is a integer and also rational number. 4 is a integer and also rational number. 3 can be written as 3 by 1. So this is in the form of p by q. This is rational number. That's why 4 by 1 also rational number. How to find a rational number between 3 and 4? Okay. The rational number between 3 and 4 is equal to 3 plus 4 by 2. 3 plus 4 by 2. This is mean method. So 3 plus 4 by 2, that is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is a rational number in between 3 and 4. Exactly between 3 and 4. That is 3 is less than 7 by 2 is less than 4. Okay, 7 by 2 is the rational number between 3 and 4. Okay. Next time go to find the rational number between 3 and 7 by 2. 3 and 7 by 2. The rational number between the rational number between 3 and 7 by 2. Do like this. 3 plus 7 by 2 by 2. Here denominator is 1. Take LCM. 6 plus 7 by 2 by 2. That is 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 by 2 by 2. That is equal 13 by 4. How to write reciprocal? That is 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. 13 by 2, 13 by 4. So that is 13 by 4 is in between 3 and 7 by 2. 3 is less than 13 by 4 is less than 7 by 2 is less than 4. Okay. This is two rational numbers between 3 and 4. Similarly, how to find infinite number of rational numbers between 3 and 4? Infinite number of rational numbers are found in between 3 and 4. Okay. Next, find 5 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Okay. So this is lengthy process. There is one shortcut is there. How to find the 5 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Okay. 3 can be written as 3 by 1. 4 is also can be written as 4 by 1. These are rational numbers and also like fractions. Here denominators are same. Okay. So how to find the 5 rational numbers between 3 by 1 and 4 by 1? Okay. How many required number of rational numbers? 5. So have to multiply each fraction by required number of 1 more than the required number of rational numbers. Okay. So have to take 3 by 1 into multiply numerator and denominator 1 more than the required number of rational numbers. Required number of rational numbers is 5. 1 more than the 5, 6. So have to multiply 6 by 6. So 3 6 18 by 6. In the same way 4 by 1 also multiply by 6 by 6. 4 6 are 24. 24 by 6. Okay. 18 by 6, 24 by 6. This is equivalent fraction of 3 by 1. The equivalent fraction of 3 by 1 is 18 by 6. The equivalent fraction of 4 by 1 is 24 by 6. Now have to find 5 rational numbers between these two. Okay. So these are 19 by 6, 20 by 6, 21 by 6, 22 by 6, 23 by 6. These 5 rational numbers between 18 by 6 and 24 by 6. The required number of 5 rational numbers are these. Okay, these are between 3 and 4 also. Okay, these 5 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Okay, in the same way, find the 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. These are like fractions. 3 and 4 mean 3 by 1 and 4 by 1. These are like fractions. Now I am take unlike fractions. How to find the 5 rational numbers between these unlike fractions 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Okay. First of all, have to convert these unlike fractions into like fractions. How to convert the like fractions? 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. How to convert the like fractions? 2 by 3 can be multiplied by 4 by 1, the denominator of second fraction. Okay, so 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. Again have to take second fraction. 3 by 4 is multiplied by the denominator of first fraction. 3 by 3, 9 by 12. These are like fractions. 2 by 3 is equal to 8 by 12. 3 by 4 is equal to 9 by 12. Now we have to find 5 rational numbers between 8 by 12 and 9 by 12. Okay. So required number of rational numbers are 5. Okay. So multiply 8 by 12, 1 more than the required number of rational numbers. 1 more than mean 6. 6 by 6. 6 8s are 48 by 12 6 are 72. Next 9 by 12. 9 by 12. Also have to multiply 6 by 6. 6 9s are 54 by 72. Okay. Here 2 by 3 is equal to equivalent fraction of 8 by 12 and also equivalent fraction of 48 by 72. Okay. So 2 by 3 mean 48 by 72. These are equivalent fractions. In the same way, 3 by 4 is equal to 54 by 72. Now we have to find 5 rational numbers between these two. That is 49 by 72, 50 by 72, 51 by 72, 52 by 72, 53 by 72. Okay. These 5 rational numbers are between 48 by 72 and 54 by 72. That's mean 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Okay. Or 5 rational numbers. Rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Okay. Okay, like this you have to find infinite number of rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Okay, is it clear?